Pretty little thing with your pretty little dreams. I can see you, I can see you. Passing every day, waiting for a chance to say, I am here too, I am here too. You gotta have some fun, living the sun, you'll never be a joke.
Ako sa naka-witness nung miracle na yon na pinanganak si Cassie, and I'm very happy and I feel blessed na naging okay siya, and ngayon very healthy, and ang ganda-ganda ni Ate Cassie.
To have it all together now, to have it all. You don't have to have it all together now, to have it all. So pick up all your pieces,
And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome and put your hands together for our birthday girl, Cassie. Clap your hands!
Happy birthday, Cassie. Let's go. Happy Cassie. Happy birthday.
I can see you. So think a happy time. Yeah, we could get lost.
Ayun, parehas kami yung Tita Donna, and wish lang ni Ninang na maging good health, lumaking may takot sa Diyos, at maging good girl kay Mami. Kasi huwag mo nang gayahin si Mami Maldita yan eh.
You don't have to have it all together now, to have a ball. So pick up all your
Hindi
pieces.
ka napapayakan si Mami mo, pero isa ka sa pinakamalaking blessing na dumating sa Mami mo, kasama ng kuya mo. At ang wish ko lang sa'yo, tuparin mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay, kasi swerte ka kasi supportive ang Mami at Daddy mo sa'yo. At huwag ka mag-alala, hindi man tayo lagi magkasama, pero kasama mo ang mga panalangin ko habang ikaw ay lumalaki.
All together now. All together now. You don't have
Halos lagi naman magkasama tayo. Super smart. Alam mo yan, sobrang talino nito. Napakabibong bata. Pagkausap namin siya, parang matanda na yung kausap namin. So, very smart. Very, siyempre, pretty.
pieces, put them in your pocket. You can take off like a London in a rocket. You can fly, 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 fly. All together now.
Basta ang gusto ko lang, maging mabait na bata, anak, di ba? Yung hindi sumasagot sa matanda. At saka makatapos siya sa pag-aaral. Saka
Yes.
hindi siya susunod sa yapak ko.
All together now. All together now.
Happy birthday! Lagi kang magpapakabait kay Mami. Tapos, mag-aaral ka mabuti. Kasi may mga bagay kami na hindi namin nagawa na pinipilit namin na magawa nyo. Kaya, magpapakabait ka, ha?
Taking all the sunshine, bottle of the rain.
So para kay Cassie, mag-aral lang mabuti. Then, sumunod lang sa magulang. Huwag pasaway.
You can pull the stars down, paint the perfect sky.
Enjoy mo lang everyday, yung life, and always sundin si Mami at si Daddy. Pag magbo-boyfriend ka na, dapat mas malakas uminom kay Daddy, ha?
Life's what you make it. Oh, it's yours for the taking.
Sabi ko sa'yo kasi, sa mga panahon palagi kang hindi pinapayagan ng mama mo, andito ako para pumayag. Sabi, kakampi mo ako forever.
And you frame inside your heart, the middle of a nowhere, so somewhere you can start. So go and write your song.
Ang wish ko lang is sana laging andyan yung smile mo kahit tumanda ka.
Life's what you make it.
Prayer ko sa'yo is for you to love, obey, at saka respect your parents.
Nagpipray ko na sana maging healthy ka pa at saka happy and pretty.
Ang wish ko kay Cassie, sana lumaki siyang kasing ganda, kasing bait, at kasing sexy ng ninang niya.
Taking all the sunshine, bottle up the
Pwede, dapat si mommy ang best friend mo. Okay? Kahit kailan, childhood, adulthood, pag teenager ka lalo, dapat si mommy ang
Best friend.
Best friend.
I wish you all the best and good health.
It's yours for the taking.
My wish is that 11 years from now, she'll be 18 years old.
Yes.
And I hope all of us will still be here to celebrate that moment with her.
Yes.
Like what we are doing right now.
That's what you make it. That's what you make